Hello everyone. In this video we are going to show you how to do settings of grammar in MS Word so you can see the passive voice sentences and convert them into the active voice sentences. So the quality content contains usually less than 10% of passive voice sentences. So mainly our focus in this video is going to show you how you can do the settings of grammar in your Word file so you can see the passive voice sentences and reduce them to less than 10% in the documents. So without further ado, let's get started. So we have already opened a article, so let's go to file. Here you can see the option. Now in this options tab you can see here the different buttons. You need to go to the proofing and then you need to go to the writing style. You can see here it shows grammar only. You can choose grammar and style as well, but grammar only is good enough. So let's go to settings. Now you need to drag it down to see the passive voice sentences. In the style tab you can see the passive voice sentences. If it's unchecked, this document will never show you the passive voice sentences. So let's check it to show the passive voice sentences. Once it's checked, you need to go select OK, and you can see this will highlight the passive voice sentences. Now you can convert these passive voice sentences into active voice and make your content good. So thanks for watching this video, and if you have any questions please comment below and we would be glad to answer those. Thanks a lot.